Hello students, welcome to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we are going to learn part 6 of business services. In that we are going to learn the topic known as life insurance. Meaning of life insurance. It is a contract between insured and insurer. The insurer agrees to compensate the insured a certain sum on the expiry of certain period or on death, whichever is earlier for consideration. Now we are going to learn the types of life insurance policies. First is whole life policy. Under this policy, whole life of the person is insured. The insured person cannot receive money from the insurance company till he is alive. Money becomes payable on the death of the insured person to the nominee or the legal heir of the deceased policy holder. Second type is endowment insurance policy. Here insurance is taken for specific period. Under this policy, the sum assured along with the bonus is given on the death of the insured to the dependents or on the expiry of the specific period to the insured. Third is term insurance policy. Term insurance policy is taken for specific period. Term insurance policy has lowest premium among all insurance policies. Premium is fixed and does not change during the term of the policy. In case of ultimately death, the dependent will receive benefit among specific in the terms life insurance agreement. Fourth is annuity policy. The insured has to pay the premium in lump sum or in installment over a certain period of time. The insured will receive back a specific sum periodically from specified date onwards, either for life or a fixed number of years. It is like pension payment scheme. Next is the money back policy. Money back policy provides a regular percentage of the sum assured during the lifetime of the policy. It is also guarantees the benefit of full sum assured in the event of the death of the insured to the dependents of the insured. Generally, money back policy is available for 4 terms, that is 12 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, etc. Next is the child insurance. Child insurance policy is a saving cum investment plan that is designed to meet child's future financial needs. A child insurance policy allows kids to live their dreams. Child insurance policy gives you the advantage to start investing in the children's plan right from the child is born and provision to withdraw savings once the child reaches adulthood. Some child insurance policies allows intermediate withdrawals at certain intervals. Next is the retirement plans. A saving and investment plan that provide insured on income during retirement. On maturity, this corpus is invested for generating a regular income stream which is referred to as a pension or annuity. The last is the ULIP policy. ULIP stands for Unit Linked Insurance Policies. ULIP policies are very popular as they combine the benefits of life insurance with mutual funds. Thank you, students.